So we will read about the world's smallest reptile. We will practice your English language skills. So, hi, my name is Kath, and I'm speaking with. Okay, good job. Can you hear me and see me well? So, the title of our lesson for today is World's Smallest Reptile. So, would you keep a reptile as a pet? Yes. So, would you rather have a lizard, a chameleon, or a snake as pet? Yes, that may be too dangerous, but you could say that you will keep it as a pet as long as it's in a safety box or away from your bedroom, dining room, or even your sala. So, how are reptiles different from mammals? So, reptiles are different from mammals because mammals have feet, while reptiles has scales, doesn't have feet. So reptile is, can you repeat the word for me? Okay, good. So it's an animal such as a snake, lizard, turtle, or alligator that has cold blood, that lays eggs, and that has a body covered with scales or hard parts. Correct. And also chameleon. So what is chameleon? Can you repeat the word chameleon? Chameleon. Great. And let's learn some words and repeat the sentence after me. I'll read it first. A type of lizard that can change the color of its skin to look like the colors around it. Now you, okay? It's a type of lizard that can change the color of its skin to look like the colors around it. Great. And the next word is zoology. Zoology is a branch of science that involves in the study of animals and animal behavior. Okay. And for the next one, deforestation, that's the act and result of cutting down or burning all the trees in the area. Okay, next slide. So the scientists from Madagascar and Germany say a newly discovered species of chameleon may be the world's smallest reptile. The species is called Brucketia mana, and the male is just 13.5 millimeters long. So I have a question for the first sentences of words. So scientists from where? Madagascar and Germany. Can you repeat it? Madagascar and Germany. Okay, they discovered species of chameleon. So what species? Chameleon. Chameleon is what's the world's most reptile? Okay, smallest. Can you repeat the word? Smallest. Okay, the species is called Brucketia nana and the male is just 13.5 millimeters long. Okay, that's what? 13.5 millimeters long. Good job. So it's at least 1.5 millimeters smaller than previous record holder. Another member of the Brucketia family, which are very small chameleons. It is what? It's at least 1.5 millimeters smaller than previous record holder. Great. So another member of the Brucketia family. Right. So which are very small chameleons? It is member of Brucicea family, which are very small chameleons. Right. So females Brucicea nana are what? Bigger. However, at 29 millimeters. Okay. 29 millimeters. So Frank Law, a reptile expert at the Bavarian State College of Zoology, Munich, said a tiny male and a female were found by a local guide during a 2012 research trip to Madagascar. Okay. So again, what's the previous record holder? Yes, that's in the member of the Brucicea family. Female Brucicea nana are bigger at 29 millimeters. Great. So Frank Law, it's okay. Frank Law, it's expert with what zoology? Yes, Bavarian State Collection of Zoology. In where? Munich. So it was found in a by a local guide in a research trip to what place? Madagascar. So next, you are really have to get down to your knees on your knees to find them, Glo explained. He said that the chameleons move very slowly and their camouflage makes them hard to see. Okay? So what you're gonna do is get down on the knees so that you can see them. So what did they describe about the chameleons? Okay? So they move slowly and their camouflage make them hard to see. Okay. So Glaw was able to what? Glaw was able to confirm that the female was what? An adult. And we're confident that the male was too. Okay. But confirming Brachycia nana as the smallest reptile species will require more of finding them, which takes several years. Okay. Okay. So Glow was able to confirm that female was an adult, confident that the male was too. Okay. Confirming Brachycia nana as the smallest reptile species will require finding more of them, which may take several years. Okay. So Brachycia nana is different from other chameleons and can change color first the forest floor rather than staying on trees. So which is the smallest reptile? Brachycia nana. And how many years would it take to see it? Okay. That's several years. And Brachycia nana is different from what? Other chameleons because Brachycia nana can change colors. And where did it stay? In forest trees. Can you repeat it? Forest trees. Okay, next slide. Repeat it. Record holder. Can you say it? Record holder. Okay, good job. So the person or thing that has achieved something no other person or having or thing ever has. Okay. Brucicea family, a genus of chameleons endemic to Madagascar. Brucicea family is a genus of chameleons endemic to Madagascar. Okay. What of the forest floor? Forest floor. That's the ground beneath the trees of consisting of roots, soil, and decomposing organic matter. Okay, good job. So have you ever seen a chameleon up close? Okay, so you haven't seen it. Me, I have seen it. The tongue is very long. The eye is color black, and sometimes the color is composed of brown, green, flashy green, scale, or yellow. With only, yes, sometimes zoo, four legs, with a long tail. So are reptiles commonly kept as pet where you live? Okay, so it's mostly kept. So are reptiles often found in the wild or in your country? Okay, it's in a wild on your country. So next, what countries would you like to visit wildlife and why? Yes, me, I would visit in South Africa because I like to see elephants aside from reptiles. I'm fond of giraffes. Yes? Mm-mm. So are there any animals that can be found only in your country? Okay. So there are any animals. The animals that can be found in my country, it's usually tarsier with small eyes that's found in the trees, like koala bears. But they are very, very small, like bats. If you see them. Yes, in your country, it's mostly reptiles, some snakes. Yes, and some monkeys, I guess. Okay, good job. What would you say is the most fascinating animal you've ever seen up close? So the fanciest thing that I see up close is a flamingo because of its color. My favorite color, it's color pink. Yes, and it has long neck and it's very beautiful as it swims in the lake, like that Swan Lake, that beautiful Swan Lake. Okay, so before we go, remember that there are 171 species of chameleons in the world. Okay? There are what? Can you repeat the number? 171. 171 species of chameleons in the world. Good job. So the largest is the Parsons chameleon. Okay? It grows 70 centimeters long. Okay? How about types of animal fascinates you? Yes. Job, a monkey. Me as one. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. So remember about reptiles and the words described chameleon, deforestation, and the number of species, and the brocatia. Brocatia again. Brocatia.